I got this Zepp Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner from Crowdtap to try. What you do is you spray it in your microwave and then you run your microwave for like 1 or 2 minutes and then you wipe it out. So we are going to give it a try. Alright, my microwave is kind of dirty. I'm going to take this out because I prefer to wash it myself. And then it says that you just spray a thorough coat the microwave bottom or turntable. I wonder if I have to maybe spread it out with my hands because it's kind of foamy. Oh well. We're going to spread it out a little bit. It doesn't say to do this part, but it just looks weird for me. Okay. Then it says you run your microwave for 1 or 2 minutes. We're going to run mine for 2. And we'll meet you back here in a minute. Still running. I got my paper towels ready for when that timer goes off. So you can't really see it doing anything, but it smokes to make it easier for you to wipe off the stuff in the microwave. So we'll see. This is pretty clean for my microwave. It can get way dirtier than it was. Alright, so we only have a couple seconds left. I've got my trusty paper towel ready. Alright, now, it says allow product to cool and then wipe with a paper towel. So we are going to open it up and oh, look at that. It kind of sledged it all down to the bottom. Yeah, supposed to let it cool a little bit. Yummy, right? Oof. Let's try this bit out here. Oh, look, it does wipe. Now that's mostly dyed on there, that pink. But we're going to go ahead and wipe this. It does kind of really come right off. Not all of it, but then I didn't really put it on that. So let's wipe in here. Okay, the stuff on the side isn't coming off. Stuff on the bottom is. Ew. Gross. I'll meet you back after I finish. So let's take a look at the inside of my microwave. It didn't clean it quite as good as I thought it would, but I really think that is more the fact that my microwave is over 10 years old, and a lot of these stains are probably just really set in from lots and lots of use, and like this pitting here. And so actually I've really been wanting a new microwave. But I do have to say that it did get all the stuff that I know is recent off super simply. It's very easy. You just stick it in there, you turn it on, you wait for it to cool, and you wipe it off. How easy is that? And it doesn't smell chemically. It doesn't smell bad. So there's no fumes to really worry about. So I totally would recommend this, especially if you have a microwave that doesn't have set-in stains, kind of like mine. So thanks, Crowdtap, for giving me the chance to try it.